I echo Nilesh's sentiments. Really feels like I'm coming back to a family. And the last Mahindra session, I think we were figuring out how to do the script, what to do, where do we go, the mentors were with us. And here we are, and I can't believe that with this film, we've traveled so far with this. We went to Cannes Festival, we won an award, we've released the film. Really feels surreal, I can't believe I'm standing here. And it has been just a year and a half since we've finished the last session. So I'm very, very grateful to all of you. And I just want to tell the mentors that, you're going to be truly, truly nurtured and taken very good care of your scripts, and take these sessions very, very seriously, because the kind of treatment that we got with our script, I don't think we could have. I mean, it was a truly, truly great experience because we learned our own mistakes that to be honest with you, I can admit it right now, that when we came on the script to the lab, we actually thought that, I mean, we are pretty well off with the script, and we've done through so many labs with Akshat and Navdeep here, who mentored on one of the earlier labs. And we thought that we are pretty okay with the script and we don't need to, let's see what happens. So I think that myth got broken, and we were truly surprised to see so many layers being opened up, and so many of our things got sorted when we're speaking to all of these mentors who take special care. I want to mention one particular example that happened. Like one of the mentors, she actually drew stick figures against each scene on my screenplay. And she actually wrote the subtext for each dialogue. And she told me how your subtext is not flowing well. So that is the kind of detail that you're going to go through. So please cherish this moment. Varun?
Okay, yeah. First of all, sorry, I was going through a health crisis last year, so I couldn't come to the lab. But I actually felt I was almost there, because Neeraj came back with these recordings of nearly 30 hours or so of feedback. He was recording everything there. I had
transcribed.
Yeah, and then he transcribed it, and then I went through all of it. We both went through all of it, and we didn't lose our funding. So that was another. So not all films lose their funding, but it was really, really, I think a lab is the only way we can have, because I think probably we don't have that culture of that script development, departments in production houses here, and we generally just want the final script in our production houses. Now some people are doing that, and hopefully more will do that, but nothing can replace the script lab and the mentoring you get there, because it's like, I don't know how many of you know this term, but Vipassana with your script. It's like, you get like 10 days living with your script all the time while eating, all the time you're just with it, going to a script lab. Otherwise, at your home, while you're writing, there are so many distractions, and there are so many failings of humankind. You just kind of, get away from your script. But